We have gathered reviews from across the internet to provide a comprehensive and unbiased look at the Sphere Magnetic Fidget Toys for Adults by Gadget. This review reflects the collective experience of users, highlighting what people like, dislike, and what you should know before purchasing. If you have this item, please share your own experience in the comments to help others make informed decisions. The link to the product is in the description, using it supports the channel. The Sphere Magnetic Fidget Toy by Gadget is marketed as a unique, patented fidget gadget designed for adults and teens aged 14 and up. It promises to break the mold of conventional fidget toys with its flexi-rotate mechanism, offering a blend of rotating and gyroscopic play. The product aims to unlock creativity, provide stress relief, and serve as a conversation piece for the office or home desk. The set includes pentagonal components that attach magnetically, allowing for a variety of configurations, and features a central bearing piece that enables spinning. The manufacturer claims that users can create over 100 shapes and enjoy 6 distinct rotation features, all while benefiting from strong magnets that maintain shape integrity during use. When evaluating the build quality, users consistently note that the toy is well made. The materials feel solid and durable, and the packaging is thoughtfully designed with a compartmented, foam-lined box that keeps all the pieces organized and protected when not in use. This attention to detail in packaging and material choice is frequently cited as a positive aspect, especially for those who value longevity and neat storage solutions in their desk gadgets. The toy is also visually appealing, with bright, shiny colors that catch the light and add a pop of interest to any workspace. The blue variant, in particular, is described as glowing when the light hits it, making it an attractive addition to the office or study area. In terms of usability, the Sphere Magnetic Fidget Toy offers a versatile play experience. Users appreciate the ability to assemble and disassemble the magnetic panels in both 2-dimensional and 3-dimensional configurations. The toy can spin like a traditional fidget spinner, be pinched between fingers, or be spun as a top. The modular nature of the components allows for experimentation, and some users find satisfaction in arranging the pieces in creative ways. The magnetic attachment system produces a satisfying clicking sound, which adds to the sensory experience. For those who enjoy tactile and visual stimulation, the toy delivers a multifaceted fidgeting experience that can be both relaxing and engaging. However, the product is not without its drawbacks. One of the most commonly cited issues is the strength of the magnets. While the manufacturer claims that the magnets are powerful and maintain shape integrity, several users report that the magnetic joints are weaker than expected. This can result in the assembled shapes coming apart with moderate handling or during more vigorous spinning. As a result, some users find it difficult to maintain complex shapes, and the toy may not withstand the demands of those who prefer fast or forceful spinning. The lack of strong locking mechanisms further limits the potential for building stable, intricate structures, which can be disappointing for users seeking a more robust construction experience. Another point of contention is the number of pieces included in the set. Multiple reviewers mention that there are not enough components to build the full sphere as depicted in promotional images. This limitation reduces the scope for creativity and may leave users feeling that the product does not fully deliver on its advertised potential. For those who wish to create larger or more elaborate designs, purchasing additional sets may be necessary, which increases the overall cost and may not be practical for all buyers. The spinning functionality is also a mixed bag. While the toy does spin, the most effective spinning is achieved with the individual hex pieces rather than the fully assembled sphere. Once the hexes are attached to the central bearing, there is no convenient way to initiate spinning without awkwardly grasping the outer edges. This can make the spinning action less satisfying and more cumbersome than traditional fidget spinners. Some users express disappointment that the toy does not function as smoothly as they had hoped in this regard. For individuals seeking stress relief or tools to aid with focus, especially those with ADHD or anxiety, the Sphere Magnetic Fidget Toy receives mixed reviews. Some users with ADHD and generalized anxiety disorder report that the toy does not provide the calming or focusing effects they were seeking. In some cases, the toy even becomes a source of distraction, leading to hyperfixation and reduced productivity. While fidget toys can be beneficial for some, the effectiveness of this particular product as an ADHD or anxiety aid appears to vary significantly from person to person. It is important to note that while some users may find the tactile and visual engagement helpful, others may not experience the intended therapeutic benefits. Despite these criticisms, the Sphere Magnetic Fidget Toy has proven to be a popular item in office settings. It serves as a conversation starter and provides entertainment for visitors who enjoy fidgeting with Rubik's Cubes, spinners, or other desk toys. The versatility of the toy, combined with its appealing design and satisfying tactile feedback, makes it a hit among those who appreciate desk gadgets for their novelty and interactive qualities. The toy's ability to be easily assembled and taken apart is also a plus, as it allows for quick resets and experimentation without frustration. The toy is recommended for older kids and adults due to the small size of the pieces and the dexterity required to snap them together. Younger children may find the components difficult to handle, and there is a potential choking hazard for very small children. The product is not intended for rough play, and users are advised to avoid applying excessive force when assembling or spinning the toy to prevent accidental disassembly or damage. In summary, the Sphere Magnetic Fidget Toy by Gadget stands out for its high-quality construction, attractive design, and versatile play options. It offers a unique combination of spinning and building features that set it apart from standard fidget spinners or magnetic desk toys. The thoughtful packaging and durable materials enhance its appeal as a gift or personal desk accessory. However, potential buyers should be aware of the limitations regarding magnet strength, the number of included pieces, and the toy's suitability for stress relief or focus enhancement. The spinning functionality, while present, may not meet the expectations of those seeking a true spinner experience. Additionally, the product's creative potential is somewhat restricted by the need for additional sets to build larger structures. Overall, the Sphere Magnetic Fidget Toy is best suited for individuals who enjoy tactile play, appreciate modular design, and are looking for a visually striking desk gadget. It excels as a conversation piece and provides a satisfying sensory experience for casual fidgeting. However, those seeking a robust construction toy, a powerful spinner, or a proven tool for managing ADHD or anxiety symptoms may find the product less fulfilling. If you value build quality, aesthetics, and the novelty of magnetic assembly, this toy is worth considering. If you own this product, please leave your own review in the comments to help others make an informed choice. Remember, the link to the product is in the description, and using it helps support the channel.